Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're doing something a little bit different. We're actually setting sail out to sea and making our way to a place called Cockit Island. Now Cockit Island is more famous for having puffins visit every year, however it also houses a fantastic grey seal colony, and that's what we're looking to photograph today. I wanted to see how easy it actually is to photograph from a boat, so let's have a look. Now upon arrival at Cockit Island, our first stop, the seals were already out into the water, coming up to the boat really close. This gave me a perfect opportunity to actually grab some headshots of the seals as they were playfully playing around in the water. Now Cockit Island isn't only home to puffins, there are a variety of seabirds who also call the island home, and it'd be wrong if I didn't actually manage to grab these shots at the same time. Now once we'd finished up that area at Cockit Island, we made our way round to another side, which presented us with a different opportunity to grab more pictures of seals. Now at this point we were actually blessed to see a heavily pregnant female just basking on the edge of the water. Now I do apologise about the terrible film work, the sea was rather choppy, but she did stay in one place for a long time and let me capture pictures. So again, we set sail back round to another side, and this is where the main bulk of the seal activity was. As you can see there, all of them basking on the coast, but look at all those heads bobbing around in the water. Now some of the seals came right up to the edge of the boat, and I managed to grab my best pictures of the day at this place. I was so happy with how some of these results actually came out, just purely because the seals came up so close, enabling me to grab these shots. Now as the boat made its way back to Amble, it gave me time to reflect on just how difficult it was shooting from a boat, especially when the sea is as choppy as it was today. Now, I had to keep my shutter speed up at 1/2000th of a second just to ensure that I got some sharp images, as while the seals aren't exactly the fastest of moving creatures, especially on land, because of the bobbing around of the boat, it meant that that high shutter speed was absolutely necessary to ensure sharp shots. Now, we both thoroughly enjoyed our day and had a fantastic time aboard the boat. I just want to give a massive shout out to Puffin Cruises based in Amble, who do these regular trips over to Cockit Island. If you are ever in Amble or Northumberland at all, please do check them out, because even if you're not into photography or even into seals, the experience was just absolutely fantastic. Now I'll pop a link in my description below so that you can actually check them out, have a look. Obviously the timings of the trips are tide dependent, but it is thoroughly worth it, so please do go check out Puffin Cruises. Now, once we disembarked from the boat, Mrs. S went for a quick bimble around the shops while I carried on doing the wildlife photography and making the most of this fantastic opportunity to photograph the beautiful starlings. Now, the starlings are obviously quite used to people being around Amble, and they were coming quite close, which gave me a fantastic opportunity to photograph these stunningly coloured birds. Now, once I'd finished photographing the starlings, I made my way further around the harbour area and grabbed these pictures of these cormorants nesting on all the old rotten wood, and it was just an absolute fantastic sight to see. Now, I know this has been quite an image heavy video with not much camera work, to be honest, but obviously if you have liked the video, do give us the old thumbs up, and if you don't already, drop some subscribes from down the bottom and also hit that notification bell. And all that's left for me to say is this is Mike out. Take care and be safe, everyone. Peace.